If your Dropbox storage is full of similar or duplicate photos, Cloud Duplicate Finder makes it easy to detect, review, and remove them directly from the cloud. Here, I'm inside the Cloud Duplicate Finder dashboard. To begin with, on the right-hand side, instead of choosing Duplicate Finder, let's choose Similar Photo Finder. You will connect your Dropbox, and once you have connected it, on the left-hand side, you will select either your whole Dropbox or a specific folder. In this dashboard, you can only scan duplicates of images. So once you start the scan, you can either scan for exact matches or similar photos. If you choose similar photos, you can choose your similarity strength. Today, I choose a recommended one, which is medium, and start my scan. Cloud Duplicate Finder now analyzes the images stored in Dropbox and groups together photos that look similar or are exact duplicates if you've chosen that option. This is especially useful for Cloud Photos libraries where screenshots, edited photos, burst photos, or repeated uploads slowly take over storage. Once the scan is complete, I can preview the photos side by side before deleting anything. The preview option makes it much easier to compare images and safely decide which copies to keep. I can manually select the photos, or I can retain the newest photo or the oldest photo. Once I've selected the unnecessary photos, I can move them to trash or to a different folder. This helps free up cloud storage, reduce clutter, and organize photo collections much more efficiently. That's it. Cloud Duplicate Finder makes Dropbox photo cleanup simple by helping you detect similar images, preview them instantly, and safely remove duplicates directly from the cloud.